Sige sir, alang kayo. Alright. Our representative from the M3 mo. Yan. Si Chief Sir Oliver Agoto, ang ating pilot. And representative of the BFP. Yeah. Ayan yung mga participants natin from different barangay and zone. Ayan, marami sila.